Hello, my dear viewers. My name is John. I'm a student. Today, I want to tell you a story. It is about my best friend. I believe friends are a gift in life. A good friend brings joy. A friend helps us during hard times. A true friend never leaves us alone. A good friend understands us deeply. I have many friends, but one is the best. His name is Rahim. He's in my class. We've been best friends since childhood. We know each other so well. We trust each other a lot. Rahim is a kind person. He always smiles. He helps everyone. He enjoys playing football. He also loves reading books. He is a good student. He always completes his homework. Rahim and I sit together in school. We share our lunch. We do homework together. After school, we play games. We talk, laugh, and never get bored. Every moment is fun with him. When I wanted to learn English, Rahim said, "I'll help you, John. Let's learn together." His words made me happy and brave. He gave me strength to try new words. Now, Rahim and I practice English every day. We speak in small sentences. We ask and answer questions. We find our mistakes and fix them. We also write short paragraphs. In the morning, when we meet, he says, "Good morning, John." I reply, "Good morning, Rahim. How are you?" He says, "I'm fine. And you?" I say, "I'm fine too." These little talks help us improve. They build our speaking confidence.
In class, when our teacher asks questions, we try to answer. If I forget, Rahim helps. If he forgets, I help. We never feel nervous now. We learn as a team. During break time, we sit together. We chat in English about our lunch, books, or games. Sometimes we laugh at funny mistakes. But we never feel bad. Mistakes teach us. After school, we go to the playground. We play football with others. While playing, we use English like pass the ball, kick it, goal. We shout and laugh like champions. When tired, we sit under a tree. We drink water and talk in English. We ask about family, dreams, and hobbies. We share stories and secrets too. Sometimes we play a fun word game. One says a word, the other makes a sentence. I say apple. He says, "I like red apples." Then he says tree. I reply, "A tree grows in my yard." This game is fun and smart. It helps us speak fast and think fast. It's our favorite activity. On Sundays, I visit Rahim's home. He has many English books. We read them together. We help each other with new words. Sometimes we act like the story characters. It's so funny. Sometimes we watch English cartoons on his TV. We listen closely. We copy the lines. We laugh a lot. We try to speak like those characters. It's funny and helpful. We even pause the cartoon and repeat the dialogues. Sometimes we write down the funny lines in a notebook. Later, we use those lines while talking to each other. This makes learning fun and exciting for us. Rahim's mom gives us snacks and tea. She says, "Good boys, keep learning, keep practicing English." We say, "Thank you, Auntie." Her words make us happy. She loves us like her sons. Sometimes Rahim comes to my house. We sit in the garden. We talk in English about flowers and plants. I say, "This is a rose, that's a tomato plant." Rahim repeats after me. We learn nature words too. We sometimes take pictures of the plants and write their English names. We also draw them in our notebooks and label them. Rahim's dad speaks good English. He teaches us new words. He says, "Speak slowly and clearly. Practice daily." He also tells short English stories and jokes. Sometimes he gives us small spelling tests. We enjoy it because we treat it like a fun challenge. We listen carefully and write new words in our notebooks. We read them at night and try using them the next day. In the evening, we return home. I finish homework, then I call Rahim. We talk in English for 5 minutes. We ask, "What did you eat? What did you learn? What's your plan tomorrow?" We never skip this.
Sometimes we play a quick vocabulary quiz during our call. This helps us remember words faster and use them better. This daily talk helps a lot. Now we feel strong when we speak. We answer in class without fear. Our English teacher is happy and proud. He tells others to follow our way. Other friends see us speaking in English. They also want to learn. We help them too. We say, practice daily, use small sentences, repeat again and again. Helping others makes us proud. We have even started a small English club in our school. Every Friday, we meet and speak in English with our friends. Rahim and I have a dream. We want to travel to another country together. We want to speak English there. We want to meet new people and see big cities. We want to learn about other cultures. It will be a big adventure. We also dream of making videos together. We want to teach kids how to speak simple English. We'll say, if we can do it, you can too. We want to inspire others. We want to help many people. I feel lucky to have Rahim. He's my best friend and my English partner. We don't fight. We help each other. We share everything. He's like a brother to me. When I'm sad, Rahim makes me smile. When I feel lazy, he says, "Come on, John, let's study, let's practice English." He pushes me to do better. He always supports me. A good friend is like a great book, always there for you. A good friend makes you strong and better. A good friend is a blessing. So friends, if you want to speak English well, find a friend. Practice with them. Use small words. Ask and answer. Laugh and learn together. Don't feel shy. Don't stop speaking. Practice every day with your best friend. Your English will grow like a tree, strong, green, and beautiful. Thank you for listening to my story about Rahim and our English journey. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a good friend like I do. Please share this story with your friends. Tell them, let's practice English like John and Rahim. See you in the next story. Take care, friends. Keep smiling, keep practicing, keep speaking English. And always remember, practice makes progress. Together, we can make learning English fun for everyone. Bye-bye.